Good morning and welcome to the Weekly Insight with John Plassard. Much of the focus over the last week has been on the chaos that what I call the Reddit community or Wall Street bets has caused on the stock market. While the long-term consequences of this high volatility on certain securities are still being questioned, it seems that unintentionally small holders have saved agonizing companies from bankruptcy. If we talk a lot about GameStop, AMC and American Airlines, two companies that are in a catastrophic situation because of the pandemic of coronavirus, are today, thanks to the Reddit community, richer in liquidity after the sharp rise in their share price. According to the Bloomberg agency, last week, AMC and American Airlines both sold hundreds of millions of dollars worth of shares. Besides the companies themselves, there is perhaps no bigger winner from this boost than their creditors. Just a few weeks ago, many feared significant losses due to the collapse of the stock prices. Today, the companies are suddenly able to raise new cash to weather the storm and could even use that money to start paying off their debts. American Airlines even said it was going to sell up to $1.1 billion worth of shares, and AMC a few weeks earlier said it has raised $300 billion. Investor Silver Lake converted $600 billion of AMC bonds into shares and sold them for $100 billion. AMC would consider selling more shares to raise funds. After rising last week, American Airlines 5% unsecured bonds, which mature in June 2022, then yield up to less than 1,000 basis points more than Treasury bonds of the same maturity for the first time since March 2020. It is likely that other companies will take similar action and that in the future it will be the Reddit community that will be called to the bedside of companies on the verge of bankruptcy. What could be better than that? Thank you very much. Have a great week, stay safe, read my morning, and keep on winning.